You know all about atoms and elements, right? You know that all of the 100+ elements are found in the periodic table. Now think about all the different types of matter around you. How many pure elements do you see on a daily basis? Well, there's the carbon of graphite, which is used to make the writing core of a pencil. There's also aluminum, of which this piece of aluminum foil is made. Then, there's the iron that makes up this nail. How can a limited number of elements lead to everything around you? Most elements exist in compounds. A compound is a substance made of two or more elements that are chemically combined. The pavement on a street is made of several compounds, and living things are made of an enormous number of compounds, some of them very complex. Let's start with a simple compound. H2O. That's right, water. You and I are made up of mostly water, a relatively simple combination of one oxygen atom and two hydrogen atoms. You may have seen a model of a water molecule like this one. A molecule is the smallest unit of a molecular compound. The atoms in a molecule are connected by chemical bonds that form when atoms share electrons. So, in that water molecule, two hydrogen atoms and an oxygen atom share electrons. A glass of water contains a huge number of individual water molecules. However, not all compounds form molecules. Take table salt, for instance. Table salt is made of ions of sodium and chlorine. An atom forms an ion when it gains or loses an electron, so ions have a positive or negative charge. A sodium atom loses an electron to form a positive ion, while a chlorine atom gains that electron to form a negative ion. The ions have opposite charges. And what do opposites do? They attract. Sodium chloride is a compound composed of many sodium and chloride ions attracted to one another. It is not made up of molecules. Both water and table salt contain only one type of compound. They are pure substances. So what happens when you dissolve some salt in water? You get salt water. This is a mixture. That's another reason there are so many kinds of matter. Elements combine to form compounds, and compounds combine to form mixtures. Some mixtures, like salt water, are made of only a couple of compounds. Others, like the blood flowing through your veins, are quite complex.